So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. Just let me see, y'all probably upload, episode. I just uploaded, made PSA episode 5 talking about, me. So did that, and I want to go ahead and get another video out for y'all. Like I said, I got at least, counting that PSA episode 5 videos made, so I can dish it out almost every single day. So that's what I'm saying. I'm on the grind and got time. But this video is mainly about the Orange Demons getting rebuilt part 2. I've been staying in update. That don't make no sense. I've been receiving good notifications, been keeping up to date on the Orange Demon. I have been sent pictures, videos, everything, bro, and it's going great, bro. So far they have already got a new door on the driver's side. The whole driver's side quarter panel has been replaced. It is on a frame machine. The only thing they really got to do pretty much is fix the suspension in the front, fix the passenger side fender, and that's pretty much it. And they're gonna keep it orange, so they're gonna paint it orange, and then it'll be done and probably upgrade the suspension, the brakes. But so far it's on the frame machine and it's moving smoothly. I'm so blessed. I think I'm probably Emmanuel. I'm probably butchering your name, but also low-key silent. They already know who they are. I appreciate y'all for keeping me up to date, man. Really, y'all didn't have to, like I said in my first one, man. Y'all didn't have to keep me up to date, but y'all are more than I could even ask for, bro. I will put some pictures in this video because it's just gonna be short. Update y'all is kind of like a part 2, because I think the Orange Demon was all of our car. Even though I said it's mine, but the channel started shooting up a little bit because of the Orange Demon, because of what I did, because of what I called it. And it wouldn't be right for me not to keep y'all updated on the possibility of, not a possibility of it coming back, being able to be on the road again, driving in Houston somewhere. You know what I'm saying, bro? So don't get it messed up. When it's complete, I'm going to continue to keep y'all updated. I'm going to see it immediately. I'm going to see it. I'm going to take pictures with the old car and the new car. And it's going to be a great video, great pictures, and I can't wait. But I just want to keep y'all up to date a little bit. Like I said, got the door fixed. It was some good damage inside the quarter panel, because the way it was, of course, on the driver's side. But he got driver's side door fixed, completely. He pretty much bought a donor challenger, swapping parts, fixing it like that. So it's pretty sweet, bro, the way it's looking right now. Y'all see it. Got at least about 8 pictures so far. Couldn't get no videos because he was recording with his phone and stuff like that. But man, it's just going pretty dang smoothly, y'all. But like I said, the Orange Demon will be back. I just wanted to get this little video out for y'all. Go and edit it up, put it in my folder of videos. I'm gonna upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, hopefully Friday, I don't know. But stay tuned, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Orange Demon come back. It's real. It's coming back. Stay tuned. I couldn't wish for more, man. Scan Pack, Orange Demon coming back. I don't know, boy. I'll catch y'all later, man.